Hey everyone, in today's diecast review, we're taking a look at this flame red Maisto 2003 1/18 scale Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. As I stated before, it is a 1/18 scale diecast model. It did have the half doors, however, I removed them for the sake of display. It would be a full featured model with opening doors, hood, and the rear liftgate. This is a Rubicon, as stated before. It's in flame red, has the dark slate gray interior, very well detailed. This Rubicon was actually modeled to be an automatic transmission vehicle. However, I swapped the 6-speed manual and the clutch pedals from the previously shown Sahara. So the Sahara is the automatic, and now this is a manual. As you can see, it's a two-tone interior, very well detailed, especially for this time frame of Maisto. All the tampos are very legible on the dashboard. The instrument cluster sticker is readable. Radio controls are crisp and clear. It's really good. I'm really impressed. I still have this model. Steering wheel has cruise controls. It also has the horn pad and the SRS airbag logo. And here is just a quick overall view. It doesn't have a folding top. I kind of wish it would, but it does have the bars, though, which is kind of cool. And they are separately molded pieces. Just a quick look at the interior here. And of course, the hood does open, and it does show the 4-liter PowerTech inline 6-cylinder engine. It's just a top-down view molded in plastic base, but it does have some tampo decals for warning labels, belt routing, coolant reservoir caps, washer caps, all that kind of stuff. And it's multicolored as well. Another neat thing is that the hood catches actually work. Just a quick undercarriage view. Very similar to the Sahara. I don't really think there's much difference between the two, to be honest with you. The biggest difference are the tires. The Sahara has more road tires, and this one has more of the off-road tires. And this concludes our review of the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. If you liked it, please comment down below. And hit the like button and subscribe. Check out our Facebook page and Instagram channel. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.